How to use Avvo Attorney Management properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Avvo offers tools to manage attorney-client interactions, but beginners often misuse the platform, reducing efficiency and risky missed opportunities. The first mistake is not keeping profiles updated. Inaccurate contact information, office hours or practice areas can lead to lost clients. Regularly review and update your Avvo profile. Another common error is ignoring client reviews. Positive reviews improve visibility, while negative reviews need timely, professional responses. Avoiding reviews diminishes credibility and client trust. Many users fail to track interactions within Avvo, using the platform only to respond to inquiries without logging communications or follow-ups can create confusion and missed deadlines. Neglecting privacy settings is another pitfall. Attorney-client communications may contain sensitive information. Adjust settings to ensure confidential messages remain private and comply with legal standards. Finally, some assume Avvo replaces case management software. While it's great for client outreach, it doesn't handle billing, document storage, or internal workflows. Use it alongside your management system. To use Avvo Attorney Management properly, keep profiles current, monitor and respond to reviews, track communications, secure client data, and integrate with broader management tools. Avoid these mistakes, and Avvo can enhance client connections and professional visibility.